Hi, my name is Stuart Ralston. I'm the chef owner of Aizle restaurant in Edinburgh. Aizle's been open for 4.5 years. We started in 2014 when I came back from living in Barbados. The dish I'm going to cook is Scottish Langoustines with Koshihikari rice and katsuobushi. Scottish Langoustines, I think everybody knows them nowadays, but they're pretty fancy prawns. We buy extra large ones. They usually come from Tarbert or the Isle of Skye. They're probably one of those premium ingredients you can buy for Scottish seafood. We don't always have them on the menu, but at certain points of the year that we can afford to put them on, we definitely get them. They always come in tubes, which is nice because they're obviously hand-picked. They're kept from each other so they're not fighting or damaging each other. It helps to keep them alive as well. So when the langoustines come in, we basically twist the body in half, separating the head and the tail. The tail, we then have to take the middle fin where the shell is and pull out the entrails to clean all the guts of the langoustine out so everything's nice and clean inside. We then put the langoustines together with elastic bands so they cook straight. We blanch them for 1 minute 30 seconds in boiling hot water, straight into ice cold water and then peel them. So the rest of the preparation for the dish really consists of Japanese risotto, if you like. We use Koshihikari rice, which is a high-grade Japanese sushi rice. We use it instead of risotto because it's a little bit simpler, the smaller grains, they're not as puffy. It also works with the rest of the dish being Japanese influenced. We basically cook it in dashi stock instead of traditional stock. Gives it a really lovely seaweed flavour. We finish it with a little bit of parmesan for that sort of umami kick. And the rest of the dish has shaved katsuobushi around the edges. And we crust the risotto with a mixture of seaweed and puff rice. So to finish the dish, to get it together, we basically use a Conroe grill with Binchotan coals. Take it off and we glaze it with a little bit of the juiced langoustine stock, just to really give that intense flavour. Plating up of the dish is really simple. So the risotto will come across the pass, be plated into a bowl right in the middle. We crust the risotto with the puff rice and the seaweed mixture. Then the langoustine goes on top of the risotto. The katsuobushi will go on the outside with a few raw spring onions as well. And the sauce just gets whizzed up in the bamix and then served in a jug on the side. So that's the Scottish langoustine with Koshihikari rice and katsuobushi.